Are we finding Jordan retros for $100 at the clearance store? Not bad. Which ones are these? What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. We are back in Santa Clarita at the clearance store. Haven't been here in a while. Let's go. I did find those Jordan 7s at the clearance store in Vegas. So I'm curious to see if they have anything similar to that. Let's go find out. And then look as soon as I come in here. That's hilarious. This is the exact same size 10, $160. Do got the Jordan 7 Cardinals. Got a few of them, look at that. Got a few of them. Got more and more. Seen at least 6-7 pairs. Yeah, and I'm not even exaggerating. Dang, dude. Do got the Jordan 1 Golf trickling in over here. $110 though. Dang, that's a little bit high, dude. Come on now. This is normally $140, $140 with 30% off at the regular outlets. I think that would be a little bit cheaper. Air Adjust Forces go for $170. I don't think I've seen that colorway ever. Okay, $170 though. Zoom Freak 4 is going for $60. Air Trainer is going for $60. More in the size 10. Finding more and more. That's like 8 or 9 now. I've seen like 10, 11 pairs. There's another one right there. Okay, they're readily available. That's what's up. They do got pennies. These are $100. 6 rings in a size 10 go for $80. Got some infrared golfs. Jordan 6 low infrareds. These are pretty fire. There go for golf for $150, a little bit cheaper. Got the iShots right here. The SB go for $50. Karachi's going for $60. Do got the Ambush Air Force Ones. I did go for the Ambush Air More Up Tempos. I stayed up till 1 a.m. because they did release on the Ambush website. Did not get them. That I have a feeling it was all botted. Like my phone wouldn't even let me in. Let me know if you guys grabbed one of those. Dang, I really wish I grabbed one because I wasn't able to get one of those Air More Up Tempos. The Ambush Air More Up Tempos. I might just grab one of those. Man, dang it. But yeah, these are alright. They're alright. You know, make it look like you're running fast. I always go a half size down on Air Force Ones. I got $80 for these bad boys. Long-haired suede on these trainers right here, going for $60. Pegs Turbo Next Nature's down to $70. That's a pretty solid price. Moving on to the 10.5s. Zion 2's going for $60. $70 for these Pegasus Turbo Next Nature's. Cosmic Unity 3's go for $80. That's hella cheap. Got Dunk High 85's going for $60. That's probably the cheapest we've seen those. Jordan 37. This is a premium. Got some suede on it. I don't know. This was a collab with someone or someone's colorway. I don't know. Don't know, but this going for $100. ISPA. Some people who love. The people who love ISP freaking love ISPA's. $100 for these. I'm not digging that look. Got Lowe's at 37. Lowe's in a colorway. I don't think I've seen $80 for those. 6 rings going for $80. I was like, are we seeing these in 10.5? No, just size 10s. 2 different states, 2 different clearance stores. Only size 10. That's crazy. VaporMax Flyknit 2021s go for $100. Jordan 1 AJKOs go for $120 here. Seen that cheaper at the regular outlets with 30 off. Checking out the size 9. I'm curious to see what these are going for. $130. Yeah, these corduroys, I am a fan. $130 though. Oh, dang, dude. AJKOs in the size 9, $110. Pretty clean, mostly canvas. Terminators down to what, $100. Got some mids right here. Inside out mids go for $110. Another one of these. Looking for some running shoes for someone. This is pretty close. I don't like how the midsole yellows on these. Those $70 for those. More AJKOs. $110. Checking the 9.5s real quick. Are these the undefeated? Yeah, the undefeated pair right here of the 37s. What these go for? What do these go for? 100 bucks. 100 bucks. That's not bad. Do got LeBron's going for 100 bucks. Pretty nice colorway right there. Blazers down to 40. What the hell are these? Got some SBs. These look hella used. Like, why wouldn't this go to the Nike refurbish? Someone just switched their shoes. That's what happened. Someone just switched their shoes for some Air Max 2090s. Dang. Damn, after visiting clearance stores in different states, organization here definitely not even close to some of the ones in other states where they have all the running shoes together, all the basketball shoes together, Jordans together, stuff. 36s right here, size 8, go for $80. What the hell is this? What is this? Air Max 180 highs, an ambush collab. These, oh, I'm good with these. Got that Fear of God look to them, $1.50 for those. More of the AJ Kills, been seeing a ton of these. Air Max 180s, these are definitely not the Be True, but it is the Be True box, $1.50. KD 3s right here. Got these for $1.10. Not bad, not bad. Jumbo lows go for $60. That's a hell of a price. All red Air Forces go for $70. Metcon 8s go for $60. All right, let's check out some of the bigger sizes. Is this like a heat section? I just saw like crazy insane sizes here, 18, 16 and stuff like that. But on this side, they got regular size right here. Okay. And look right here. Haven't seen these in a cool minute. These are size 12 right here. They got a size 10 as well. Oh, these are size 12s, my bad. Both size 12. You got Oreo 6s. These ain't bad at all. Or red Oreo 6, my bad. Those are $1.60. These are a size 17 right here. So some of these are crazy huge. Michigan State Dunks right here. These are the Dunk Highs, going for 100 bucks. These are size 13. Jordan 2 size 12, $1.20. Got the Jordan 2s right here, $1.30. These are size 10.5. And then size 8, $100 for those. That's not bad. That's not bad. Mississippi State, is that who that is? $100 for those, size 9.5. These will go for 100, size 11. I got Dunks right here. These will go for 100 bucks, size 11. So it seems like this is the find of the day so far. 100 bucks, $100 for Jordan 2 Chicago's. That's pretty freaking fire. Kids trying on the size 15, size 18s. That's hilarious. All right, now let's go check out the bigger sizes. Size 11. Size 11. Do got these bad boys. Adjust Forces, $1.70. More of these. We've seen these like at the outlets, clearance stores. We've seen these everywhere. Next gens. Starting to see those going for hella cheap. $70. So that's what, almost $100 off, 90 bucks off. Air Max Solos? I was like, are these some Air Max 1s? No, not really. 50 for those. Do got Jordan 12s. Look at this. They should get 20% off. That is freaking fire. $1.60. Yeah, at least we're getting some discounts. Not crazy. Not like true clearance store discounts, because you know these stuff should be clearance out. But still, at least we get discounts. Here, more up tempos. $80 for these. This colorway is just awful. And then the Zoom Generations, Ballinonabudget, just saw these for what, $80? I think it was $79.99, and then they got another what, 20 or 30% off on top. So yeah, definitely way more expensive here. Holy cow. All right, checking the size 12. Do got Prestos right here. I didn't even show the price. $60. Nike Calm Slides. We're starting to see these here for $30. That's pretty fire. Got some of these ACG things that are like just crazy weird. But the water slides, yeah, the water cats going for $60. Witness 5s down to $40. That's actually a crazy steal. So they do have some steals, just depends on what you're looking for. Doesn't look like these Cosmic Unities moved like that, because they're already going for $80. These are 12.5 though. Since I saw the Nike Calm Slides, I did check the 11s and 12 once again for Air More Tempo size. None of those. Let's see. Moving on to size 13. Got some comforts in a size 13, go for $120. Zion 2s down to $60. Mids right here go for $100. These the Halloween ones? No, these are just some olive green ones, go for $100. Air Force Ones in a suede go for $60. That's hella cheap. Cosmic Unity 2s down to $70. See multiple comforts here, multiple comforts. Size 14 for Big Feet Gang, $170. Got these LeBrons. I've never even seen these LeBrons before. Dang, they asking for retail? Yeah, I've never seen these before though. Did I just miss it? It's like an interesting material too, like a knit material. What the hell? But how is this a clearance store when they're asking for $2? That's just weird. $70 for the Air Force Ones. Got some ZoomX stuff right here. The Vaporfly Next Percent 2s go for $100. That's a good deal. In size 15, barely anything. Some Tailwinds go for $50. Some Golf right here go for $150. And these, that's it for the size 15. Holy cow. Everything else like size 14s. On feet, Jordan Hydros. It is hot today. It's hot today. I don't know why I'm wearing all black. Probably because I woke up late as hell and I was like, hey, just throw something on. All right, let's go. All right, I'm gonna come back here in a few days, but I also want to check out the apparel real quick. I'm still thinking about the 7s right there. That's hilarious. Kids getting into it. But yeah, you check out apparel, and I'm still thinking about the 7s. All kinds of Hawaii shirts, normally $85 down to $30 right here. Good on those. Like a Dallas Cowboys polo or something. $30 for these bad boys. These are large. Got some suede feeling, like a velvet or something. These are soft as hell. $30 for these. Wait, I just noticed this. Got some backpacks here. $85 down to $30 for these. I don't think these are the ones. Yeah, these are standard straps and stuff. Got some down there, go for $25. So got these cheap generic ones, go for $20. Got some right here, go for $20 as well. Not too many premium ones though. Got U.S. soccer t-shirts right here, but it's the women's national team. Men's one right here, go for $15. That's cheaper than we saw at the regular stores. But yeah, that is pretty dope. That is pretty dope. I just wish it was a little less plain on the front. Canada shirts. Canada shirts, what these go for? $10 for the Canada shirt. Okay. I think these are all, yeah, the women's national team. Got more down here. Oh, got men's jerseys. What they go for? $30. I think that's the price I got mine for. $30. They don't have many though. They do not have many, and they are mediums. World Cup's coming in a couple years, man. Y'all gonna need that gear, man. They got the white ones too. What? Oh, I actually do like the white ones. The material, like, it's different. It's different, and then it has that elastic stuff right here in the front and the back. They only got smalls though. These are fire, dude. These are fire. $30 for those two. I feel like this is like a little more premium, to be honest, but also get trashed in like 8 minutes. Drop a little salsa on there. It's over. It's over. What is this? What team is this? Oh, France. Got the France team right there. How much are these go for? These are going for freaking $30, normally $95. Wow, that's not bad. Not bad. Just mediums. Yeah, that's the only size they got, mediums right there. Why not? Jerseys right here. These are Westbrook brand right here, going for $30. $15 for the t-shirts. Got SC merch right here, going for $15. Got Rams going for $30. Hoodies right there. $30 for those right there. Charger t-shirts going for $15. You got LA shirts right here. These are fire. I do have one of these at home, but the graphics get all jacked up after a while. And who knows how, I don't know, they're gonna make these every couple years? I don't know, but they have Toronto one right here. That's actually pretty fire. This is a large. I wonder if I should get one more Nike. Wonder if I should get one more Los Angeles one. They have Nike Los Angeles shirts here too, going for $15. but I wonder if I should grab one. Got more Los Angeles shirts. Nike Town. Nike Town's closed down a cool minute ago. I remember Nike Town in Beverly Hills. That was like, what, around like 2000 or something? I don't remember when they closed. So they got green ones here going for 15 bucks. Nike shirts right here. Nike Los Angeles shirts going for 15. Oh, I just saw these at another rack, and they got more size here, double XL. Okay. Got this interesting hoodie. It's really interesting. I've never seen that texture before. Just therma fit. Going for $40. Normally $120. It's not very thick though. Thick sweatshirt right here, 80 down to 30. These are all small, so tech fleece. $50 for those. Yoga going for 30. Dang, that's cheap. Track jacket right here, down to $30. Nike track jacket. This is a running Nike Pro pullover, going for $20. These are normally pretty expensive. Jordan flight jacket right here, down to $40. SMU Mustangs. Dang, we're covering a lot of apparel today. $25 for those. Tech fleece right there, going for $60. I came back and look at this. I came back to size 10. Look at this. The Big Bangs go for $100. That's actually fire, dude. LeBron 9s. So they do have some steals, and they have one right there as well. So they have two of these for $100. Not bad. All right, they had about 10 of these here, all size 10. And I did go through them. They've been taking the paper out. They've been taking all the shoe trees out. This one, this is the only one with just one side. They took it out the other one. But yeah, I did grab one of them with the paper inside. They're size 10. They fit a little, I want to say a little tighter than the 6s. I thought they fit just the same as 6s. I think they fit a little tighter. Jordan 6s, even the 10s tend to be a little loose on me, but these are pretty tight. I can wear them though. I think I'm gonna have to grab them. I have to grab them. Jordan, my first pair of Jordan 7s. Yeah, we're gonna have to go with these things. Yes, and I did try them with socks on. I don't wear slides with socks, but I brought extra socks because I knew where I was going. I'm going to sneaker shops, fools. All right, I'm gonna grab these. Should I get that LA shirt? Nah, I'm good. I'm good. I don't need to double up on t-shirts. All right, let's go. We've just been, I'm just kind of curious about this because we've been seeing Jordans go on sale at Shoe Palace and some of the regular stores or the retail stores. So I'm like, dang it, are these gonna go on sale? They're gonna go on sale because 160 is not bad, but it's not like a crazy deal. It's 20% off. I think these came out at $120 or something. But you know, I'm gonna get them. I'm gonna get them just in case because I think I only need the 10s. I think I only need the 10s, and that means I'll have every Jordan. And this is one of the OGs, so I'm glad to grab these. So I think I saved like 40, 50 bucks, something like that. I don't know. But yeah, I got one of the OG colorways, especially the 7s. I had to grab them. All right, not bad.